Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. MCRT is pumping right now, up 110% against Bitcoin today. 110% today. I said pay attention to MCRT. We will be releasing the gameplay footage for PC, Android, and iOS going into when Bitcoin passes 30K and the market turns very bullish. And we want to take the place as the #1 play to earn game. Axie Infinity had a $5 billion market cap. Mcrt is now sitting at 4 million. So our goal, MCRT, is to get it to be the #1 play to earn game. And the gameplay footage is amazing. I'm going to show my audience on this channel first, but I'm going to again wait till Bitcoin. We have a big campaign ready to go with KOLs, gaming influencers. But we're going to jump into MCRT, Bitcoin, and I'll just leave it at Mcrt and Bitcoin today. Congratulations to everyone that's been following the project for a year. We've been building it. I can't wait to show you the gameplay. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. MCRT 95% pump, a huge movement, 110% today against Bitcoin. Look at that. That's 110% today up against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Massive value. The rank of MCRT is still 2,900. At one point, the token was 10 cents. And after the big crash, even though we haven't released the game yet or the gameplay footage yet, it went up to 10 cents and then the market crashed it down to very low after the whole drop. But right now we're sitting still at almost half a cent. So we're coming back up to the levels. We're Certic Audified. It's BNB Smart Chain project. And look at this. The market cap hit 4 million almost today. Fully diluted 35 million, up 93%. And the volume is up 286% today. Almost $2 million of volume. The token is going crazy. MCRT, look at the chart. It's just, and I've been telling people for the last few days, so pay attention to Mcrt. I can't wait to show you it. And before, what was interesting, if you followed my videos, 1,000 USD before gave you 550,000 MCRT. Now 1,000 US dollars on PancakeSwap gives you 286,000 MCRT. So it almost doubled so crazy change right now. Let's go into Bitcoin. The market is looking pretty good. MCRT is ranking the highest, up 42% on this exchange. Spooky swap, huge. Look at that. That was a massive movement that just happened on MCRT. Actually, someone bought a lot of it. There was a lot of volume. There was around 875,000 tokens in that 15-minute candle. So crazy movements happening on MCRT. Look at that. I've been talking about it for the last few days. MCRT is leading, up 42%. Gala is up 6%. Tesla up 5%. 42% in one day. Cake is up 3%. I like Cake. I like MCRT. I like Bitcoin, Ethereum. BNB is looking strong. But let's jump into Bitcoin. And then the total market cap. So Bitcoin is Bitcoin not moving much. MCRT is massively pumping while Bitcoin's kind of been a bit stagnant. It went up to 24,800 and pulled back. On the 4-hourly, we're oversold. So we're still holding on the support, quite oversold. On the daily, we're heading up. On the hourly, we're overbought. So it's coming down on the hourly, but it is trying to hold. I think we're going to get another bounce off here, and I would be going long off Bitcoin. Is there any other formation forming here? We've got a kind of broadening wedge here. Everyone looking at? Let's do a count as well. Let's do a Elliott impulse wave count. So let's from the bottom. So we've got the first movement, first impulse wave, correction, second impulse wave, correction. So we still have the 5th impulse wave to go for Bitcoin. And usually the first impulse wave and from the first and the 4th to the 5th. So from this impulse wave and this impulse wave are usually much higher than the middle one. No, actually the middle one is much higher. So let's see what the 5th one brings us. Also with the broadening wedge, we could break out to the base of the wedge or the distance of the wedge. So here. So if Bitcoin does make a movement, the target would actually be, there's too many lines on my screen, guys. I'm doing all of this from my phone. The target would be 25,700. Let's see if there's any bullish other. On the 4-hourly, we made a giant cup and handle on Bitcoin also. Look at this on the 4-hourly. Huge cup and handle on Bitcoin right now forming. If that moves, that's going to be a really big movement. That could be this distance here. So possibly to 27,000. So I remain bullish on Bitcoin. I think it's going to break out. I would go long here, opening along where we're sitting at 23,600, stop loss at 23,200, take profit 27,500, risking 378 to make 3,976. which is beautiful. Let's look at the total market cap. We're reaching 1.7 trillion. My target is still in play for the total market cap, 1.3 trillion. So I think we're going to have a big, because we broke out of this ascending triangle here. We broke out. So retest, bounce, 1.3 trillion is the target, the base of this ascending triangle. So that distance there. There's also another bullish pattern, which is the cup and handle formation on the total market cap of all cryptos, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening with Bitcoin and MCRT. MCRT, crazy movements right now. Right now it's up 94% today, which is beautiful. Huge volume, almost 2 million of volume. That's what's happening in the markets. What else do we have? And yeah, congratulations everyone. I can't wait to show you the gameplay footage. I've already got it on my phone, but we're waiting till Bitcoin goes bullish. We're going to launch it with gaming influence, crypto influencers. These are some gains from my students. Actually, in the Telegram group, people are really making huge gains on MCRT. Okay, I'll show you in the next video. But these are some of the gains from the students inside the Telegram group. It's a free group. And everyone, every day my team removes many scam accounts. Next day they're back. I remind you, if you're speaking to me in private messages, it's fake. I will never ask you to send me money or crypto. Just understand that really, if I'm talking to you privately, look at these fake accounts of me. They're endless. They're endless fake accounts. And they're talking to people, messaging people, pretending to be me and get them to send money. I'm not going to ask you to send me any crypto. I'm not going to ask you to do any mining files. I'm not going to be speaking to you in private. Just keep that in mind. Some people, but if I'm asking you for things, it's not me. In here, in Bybit, my account is up almost 474,000 today. It's total Bitcoin 7.3, USDC 124, Solana USDT. I also hold, I've never sold any of my MCRT. I've got a lot of MCRT. And over on Binance, let's see, the account is up today 2,676, 494,000 in this account. I've got Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin, Solana 111,000, BNB 107,000, BUSD 30,000. I would buy more, to be honest, I want to buy more BNB, MCRT, Solana, Bitcoin. I like these tokens for if the market remains bullish. What I think is going to happen is I think we're having bullish momentum in the total cryptocurrency market till around September, when we reach 1.3 trillion, everyone. At this point, when we reach 1.3 trillion, we got to be very careful here. I would exit all positions, like beginning to the mid-September, exit all positions and see what happens in the market, because I think we got to see what happens at that point when we hit that target. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Big congratulations to everyone that paid attention to MCRT. It's not financial advice, but pay attention to it. It's the first real play-to-earn game MCRT is integrated. The trailer is ready for PC, Android, iOS. I cannot wait to show you. Keep tuned to follow me and subscribe to see what's going to come for the game. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.